Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
वेदांतान केल्ली SLP सुप्रीम कोर्टात मंगळारा दनपारां जेवणा उपरांतचे सत्रांत सुनावणेचे वळेरेंत बोर्डार आसा. जस्टीस DY चंद्रचूड, इंदू मल्होत्रा आनी किनथ जोसेफ हांचे खंडपिठा मुखार ही केस सुनावणेक येता. हे SLPचेर सुनावणे आदी कोर्ट गोंयचे 40 पंचायतींनी केल्ल्या अर्जाचेर तशेंच गोंय सरकाराचे SLP विशीं कितें तें थारायतलो. गोंयच्यो पंचायती कोर्टा मुखार मायनिंग वेल्डांतली परिस्थिती मांडपाक सोदतात.
Along with tomorrow's main matters, there are two applications which are also coming up. One is our application saying that our review application has to be heard along with the SLPs filed by Vedanta and Fomentos. The second application is by the panchayats for implement. So these two applications, we will have to wait and watch what the court is doing about these two applications tomorrow. Thirdly, insofar as review applications are concerned, our application to tag it along with the cases of Fomentos and Vedantas, those applications will have to be considered by the court, and our review will have to be heard if our request is accepted by the court along with this SLP. So this will be the initial and preliminary things which will be there before the Supreme Court, and after considering this, the Supreme Court may take the matter tomorrow on merits or may fix a date for hearing this matter.
हेर राज्यांनी मायनिंग लिजांचे दोनदा रिन्यूवल केला जाल्यार गोंयांक फकत एकदाच लीज रिन्यूवल करपाक मेळ्ळ्यात म्हूण गोंय सरकाराचो रिव्ह्यू याचिकेत आर्ग्युमेंट.
There are several issues which we have raised in the Supreme Court. The main issue that we have raised in the Supreme Court is that insofar as the rest of the country is concerned, there are two renewals in respect of all mining leases, whereas insofar as Goa is concerned, we have got only one renewal. Therefore, Goa is treated differently than the rest of the country. If there is one law, under one law, we cannot be treated separately. We should be given the same benefits which benefits are given to other states. This is the most important argument which we are making before the Supreme Court. Second argument which we are making before the Supreme Court is that the amendment to the NMDR Act which was taken place in the year 2015, that has not been properly considered by the judgment of the Supreme Court, and that has to be reconsidered by the Supreme Court. These are major 2 points which we are going to argue before the Supreme Court.
हे दोन अर्ज दाखल करून घेवपाविशीं निर्णया उपरांत कोर्टान मेरिटाचेर मायनिंग केसीचेर सुनावणी घेवपाचें थारायलें जाल्यार गोंय सरकार पुराय तयार आसा म्हूण एजीन सांगलाय.
Basically, we are prepared to argue the matter entirely if the court is ready to go ahead with the matter. On the side of the government, we are fully geared up to argue the matter. We have heard that the matter are being taken up by physical hearing at some point of time by the Supreme Court, and let us see what the Supreme Court is saying insofar as our cases are concerned. If it is being taken up by video conferencing and virtual hearing, we are absolutely fine with it. If it is being taken up by physical hearing also, we are prepared for it, and we want to argue this matter at the earliest, and it will be argued at the earliest. There will not be any delay on the part of the state to hear this matter.
कोर्टा मुखार गोंय सरकारची बाजू सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता मांडटलो. वेदांता खातीर सिनियर एडवोकेट हरीश साळवे, गीता बाला पुर्वळेकरा खातीर एडवोकेट श्याम दिवाण, जाल्यार गोंयच्या पंचायतीं खातीर विकास सिंग सुप्रीम कोर्टात उबे रावतले. गोंय सरकार, मायनिंग कंपन्यो, मायनिंग डिपेंडंट आनी गोंयकारांची हे सुनावणेचेर नजर. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.